We reached the location for today camping. This is one of the best place in Maliha, and the small sand dunes and surrounding hills. It's one of the best location. So you can enjoy my channel, this video, and if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, follow, and comments. So full day we are going to stay here 2 days. Let's see the location. It's amazing. It's amazing. You can see that one. I can zoom it. You can see the sand. How is this? How is this? Like you see, this is the wind. So a lot of wind is here. You can see the small dunes. And we are going to stop the car here. We are going to make a tent. We are going to stay tonight. So it's full interesting, full fun. Let's see. This is the location. Okay. This is the tree. Always we are find one small tree. From there we'll make it the location. இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான விஷயம், என்னுடைய மகளுக்கு பிடிச்சமான ஒரு ஊஞ்சல். So this is this area available. So sure we cannot play, but there is available. If small children or families, they can enjoy this area. It's really amazing. A little windy, same time you can see a little windy, same time little cold weather. The weather is little hot today, 27 degree. The people are started for tent, preparing the tent. You see that? You can see now started. So preparing for tent. So they will enjoy this whole day trip. In a 2 days trip actually. You can see that one. You see here the people. Yeah, Fanan. Enough for 3 people. You see the people are started for.
خلصينا احنا يا الله هي نفس الخيمه نفس الخيمه
شوف
لا تعال سمير مش هخلص بس
Samir, you need for 2 days.
No, 1 second.
This change.
يا مصمم انا هني وانت رايح بسيط يا مصمم كيف الخيمه هي الخيمه اللي شايلها ولا اللي شايل الخيمه ها انت اللي شايل الخيمه ولا الخيمه اللي شايلها محمد يا مصمم صح يا اخي الله اقول لكم انا ما حد يقول لي شيء جبت كتاب لي دقيقة صدق؟
So you can see the people are preparing the tent. So very interesting. You see different tent, different scenario going on. Wow. See, this is like a family tent. Very big.
bring it.
Oh, running. Another tent running. Because too much windy. Ya Rayal, tal. It's blocked the area. Let's see. Maybe another side. I need to move to another side. So now you can see that people quickly change. Wow, you see here? You see? Quickly. Few minutes. Tick, tick, tick.
What you are doing?
Wait. Already I take, it's going again. What shall I do?
Broke or what?
No, not broke because of the wind. Because you didn't put stick down.
Okay, yeah.
Take it. Go other side. What other side? Take this one. We need. You are not putting.
Fill down, huh?
No, you're not putting something.
Wait.
Without put, how you go? You see, like this.
طب عامل ايه طيب؟ ما فيش غيره.
Huh.
We need a hammer.
No need, just put.
Take fish. It's going down?
Not too much.
So it's no benefit. Must be too much.
Hit my hand already pain. Yeah, خلاص. So all are, you see, within 5 minutes. 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Everything is ready. Within 5 minutes. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Ammar, within 5 minutes everything is ready. Hammer here. Abdullah have hammer. Wow. Interesting. Khalas. Almost few people came and ready.
What you did, Faisal?
For the tent is, you can see the tent are prepared and it's like almost they covered, and you can see there the people are enjoying. You see, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. شوف كل core 7 now. This is core 9, this is core 2, this is Oja trial, this is course any medium, another size. This is more Kordi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. شوف changing location, another location. ايوه كلام مظبوط. صبي ترتيب. هلا This is the problem with the small tent. You see, flying, one year flying. That's flying. You have to go inside. MashaAllah, hammer now ready. Wait, yeah. Even big for fly. Big also fly. Big also fly. هذا ما فيه مزبوط يا اخي. هذا زمزم هرمة. شو هذا؟ هذا زمزم هرمة. This is like a same ladies saree, flying like anything. How you take the other videos? One time you shared the.
No, I have no.
This our area. Cape, huh? Little hot somewhere here. People are able to get beautiful. Relax, I. Opa, 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 opa. Hop, hop, opa. خلاص. Prayer going on. So, everybody. இங்கே வந்துக்கிட்டு என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னு சொன்னாக்கா so there is ice box, this power bank, this one is for solar, it's working. Land ஆகும்போது landing position, up. So much weight. Waiting for landing. Yes, it's too windy. Yes, finally landing.
But this is very nice. Yeah. Expensive, right?
So almost here, and the tents are almost done, and all the people sitting just they went for rounding because evening time, and some of the food is balanced, chips, and still not finished. I will start the camping like until tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So still we needed many things. So this area is good for camping because mostly this area is like a, we can say like a, very close to accessible for shops, restaurant, everything. So that's the reasons we are not bothering too much. So these tents are sunsets almost going to be happen, and surrounding the hills and desert, small dunes. So here you can see these tents, very big tents, small tents, medium tents. So many tents. This is Raju. He's enjoying the cigar in the desert, middle of the desert. He is from Pune. He's very smart. UP, okay. So these are the tents. You can see there. You see, enjoying like. If you see each and every tent, it's like enjoyable. You can see here, right? Small. This is a medium. This is a small. This little big. It's amazing. The place you can see there. This tree is called Kaft, I think so, because this is a national tree for the UAE. So you can see they are going to ride another place. So you can park your car. So let's. So people are moving. You can see this very good area. It's especially for camping like this. Come with the group. It should be very nice, fantastic. Last year we did the camping in Ras Al Khaimah. This year in Maleha, near to the Sharjah, Kalba area. So our people will enjoying. I can see you. I can show some kind of videos. They are dune washing the own car, and you can see that. Just give me a moment. I'm going. You see, this is the like a crazy things in this desert things. One moment. It's nice place to talk, chit chat, everything. So I'm not wearing any sandals or anything. Just see, these people are hiding. I don't know where are they. You see, they are coming. They are coming. Coming crazy. You see, crazy coming. Coming. See here. You can see both crazy is going on. Hi. You see. Another one, inexperienced driver. Stuck. I feel like a stuck. Stuck means stuck. Stuck. Stuck means stuck. Stuck means stuck. So two guys are stuck now. They need help. Let's see. You see there? You can go, no issues. You can go this one side stuck, another one this side stuck. Both are stuck. Both stuck.
No way.
Yeah. Right and left. Halas, we cannot take anything. Stuck means stuck. Yeah. So nice area. You see? Asineta. Basha. You make the drone and Mafi the SIM card. Ishwa namaskar.
You need to provide to me.
You never says this one.
I didn't know there is some card.
Please, we are doing for you only. Please share, like, subscribe our legendary Discovery channel for you. See here, we are from here. Hey.
No, it's just for Faisal.
Abu Kaldi Kabu ke.
Here will be nice, Faisal. Come.
Oh, இது பாருங்க ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுச்சு.
He did it purposely for you.